Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to switch a YouTube account on the YT Studio, because sometimes we want to switch a YouTube channel on the YT Studio. So in this video I will show you how you can easily do it. So let's start. So firstly open the YT Studio. So when you will open the YT Studio, here you can see a profile icon on the top right corner. So just click on the profile icon. So after this, here you can see switch account option. So click on it and then select the channel or account on which you want to switch. So after selecting, click on it. So you can see the account is switched. So guys, in this way you can switch channel or account on YT Studio. If this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.